Good day, everyone. I am Raisa Maribabon with my co-researcher, Awal, Bosque, Carriaga, Madulid, Masagka, and Parucha. Today, we will be presenting our research project titled Designing a Customizable CCTV System with Raspberry Pi for Enhanced Surveillance at Diamond Street, Barangay Tandasora, Quezon City, Metro Manila, Philippines.
This research focuses on the development of a customizable CCTV system using the Raspberry Pi platform to address the current surveillance challenges in Barangay Tandang Sora, particularly along Diamond Street. The main goal is to create a more effective, accessible, and affordable security solution that enhances surveillance, both during the day and night, with the use of high-resolution cameras and better night vision capabilities.
Barangay Tantang Sora, a densely populated area in Quezon City, faces challenges when it comes to public safety and surveillance. Currently, the CCTV systems installed in the area have limitations in terms of image quality. These cameras typically have low pixel resolution, which compromises the clarity of footage and makes it difficult to identify faces or other important details. Moreover, they lack night vision capabilities, which further reduces their effectiveness during low light conditions, increasing the risk of security breaking after dark.
The need for more efficient and reliable surveillance has grown, especially in crime-prone areas. Public safety is a growing concern, and there is a pressing need for a CCTV system that not only provides clear, high-definition footage but also operates effectively in all lighting conditions. As mentioned, the primary problem in Barangay Tandansora is the low-quality CCTV system. These cameras lack sufficient resolution and fail to provide clear images at night. This will prevent the ability of law enforcement and community members to identify potential threats, suspicious activities, or criminals, especially in low light conditions or at night when security is most critical.
To address these issues, the proposed solution is to design a customizable CCTV system using the Raspberry Pi, a small, affordable, yet powerful computer. By utilizing a high-resolution camera and integrating features like night vision capabilities, the Raspberry Pi system can offer clearer, more detailed images. The camera chosen for this project will be capable of providing a high-definition footage even in low light, offering color images during the night, unlike traditional infrared-based systems. Additionally, the Raspberry Pi system is highly customizable, allowing for easy upgrades and integration with other security features such as motion detection and remote monitoring. This flexibility ensures the CCTV system can evolve as the security needs of the area grow, making it both a cost-effective and sustainable solution for Barangay Tandang Sora.
So here's our some of our literature review. Chapter 3, Research Design. For this study, a quantitative descriptive method will be applied. Data gathering procedure, the researchers went to Quezon State University, San Bartolome, and interview electronic engineers and professors from College of Engineering, faculty who are knowledgeable and have an idea in CCTV installation and system. The researchers use the gathered data as guide in writing this paper.
So this is the system flow chart of our CCTV. Circuit diagram. This diagram shows the setup of a power over internet network video recorded. This is our schematic diagram. Pictorial diagram. This diagram illustrates the setup of a CCTV surveillance system. And PCB layout, which is the board of Raspberry Pi. And our skeletal diagram, this is the whole look of our CCTV with a dimension of 0.4855 MTS, and front and back have 0.131 MTS. And our black diagram has input of the for the first, and then at the last is user interaction. And the 3D design of CCTV with front view, right view, left view, and back view.
In conclusion, the development of a customizable CCTV system using Raspberry Pi offers a promising solution to the current surveillance limitation in Barangay Tandang Sora, Quezon City, by addressing the issue of low resolution and lack of night vision in existing CCTV system. This project aims to enhance the overall security of the community with a high definition video quality, color night vision, and the versatility of Raspberry Pi. This system can be a significant improvement in monitoring public spaces, ensuring the better safety and crime prevention.
Thank you for your time and attention. I hope this research provides valuable insight into how technology, specifically the Raspberry Pi, can be leveraged to create more effective and accessible security systems. Again, thank you and have a great day.